In the winter of 1811, life along the American frontier moved slowly and quietly. Small settlements dotted the banks of the Mississippi River, cabins were lit by firelight, and most Americans believed nature was something they could eventually tame. That illusion shattered on the night of December 16, 1811, when the ground beneath the central United States suddenly roared to life. Without warning, one of the most powerful earthquakes in American history struck near a small frontier town called New Madrid in what is now Missouri. At around 2:15 a.m., settlers were jolted awake by a violent shaking that felt, according to survivors, as if the earth itself was tearing apart. Cabins collapsed, chimneys fell, and trees snapped like matchsticks. The sky glowed eerily as strange blue and purple lights, now believed to be earthquake lights, flashed across the darkness. People ran into the freezing night barefoot, convinced Judgment Day had come. This was no ordinary earthquake. Modern scientists estimate it reached a magnitude between 7.5 and 8.0, powerful enough to be felt over 1 million square miles. Church bells rang in Boston, the ground shook in Washington, D.C. In places hundreds of miles away, people were awakened by beds trembling beneath them, unaware that the epicenter lay deep in the American frontier. But the nightmare had only begun. Over the next several months, more than 1,000 aftershocks rattled the region. Two of them, in January and February of 1812, were as strong as the first. Entire sections of land sank or rose dramatically. Forests disappeared as the earth liquefied, swallowing trees whole. New lakes formed overnight, some of which, like Reelfoot Lake in Tennessee, still exist today as silent evidence of the disaster. The most shocking event of all occurred on the Mississippi River itself. Witnesses reported that the river appeared to run backward for several hours. Massive waves formed, boats were flung onto the banks, and islands vanished beneath the churning water.